Car culture has always been about self-expression. From engine swaps to wide body kits, enthusiasts have long used their rides as canvases for personal style. But what happens when a car's transformation becomes so extreme it splits the community right down the middle? That's exactly what's happening with this 1993 Mazda RX-7, and the internet can't stop talking about it. Originally sold under Mazda's upscale fini sub-brand in Japan, this third-generation RX-7 has since made its way to the US, but not in the form you might expect. Over the past 25 years, this once sleek and minimalist Japanese sports car has been given a dramatic makeover that's causing serious debate. Some are calling it Fast and Furious fantasy realized. Others, well, not so much. The modified RX-7 is currently up for auction on Cars and Bids, and the comment section is a full-blown battlefield of opinions. One commenter compared its aggressively redesigned front end to my grandmother's dustbuster, while another dubbed it the Jar Jar Binks edition, referencing the widely disliked Star Wars character with similar bug-eyed features. But for every hater, there's a die-hard fan, loving the throwback. This screams early 2000s JDM. It's what tuner dreams are made of, said one enthusiast. Love it or not, you've got to respect the dedication, added another. So what exactly has been done to this once sleek icon? The RX-7's factory body has been replaced with an aggressive wide-body kit featuring flared fenders, a giant rear wing, and a radical new nose. Ganador side mirrors give it that authentic JDM tuner vibe, and the Zauber wheels and coilover suspension ensure it rides low and wide. Under the hood, the changes are just as bold. The original 13B twin-rotor engine, which made 255 horsepower when new, has been converted to a single-turbo setup, pushing an estimated 400 horsepower. That's a serious jump, and one that's sure to impress those who prioritize performance as much as looks. Inside, the car tells a very different story. The interior is covered in bright red plastic panels and a dizzying array of gauges, giving it an aesthetic somewhere between a retro-futuristic race car and a nuclear control room from the 1950s. The Bride racing seats provide serious support, but they're so wide that the doors no longer close flush. It's the kind of quirks that tuner enthusiasts might shrug off, but potential buyers may see as a red flag. Which brings us to the elephant in the room. Resale value. Modding your car is a personal journey, but when it comes time to sell, those same personal touches can be deal breakers. As extreme as this RX-7 is, it may only appeal to a niche group of buyers who share the same vision. And yet, there's no denying the commitment. The seller has poured time, money, and passion into creating something totally unique. Whether you think it's a masterpiece or a monstrosity, it captures the spirit that defined the tuner scene of the early 2000s. Unapologetic, loud, and fully committed to standing out. So what do you think? Is this RX-7 a glorious tribute to JDM tuning history, or an over-the-top creation that's lost its way? No matter which side you're on, one thing's certain, you won't forget it anytime soon. Check out the full listing online and let us know where you stand in this hotly debated automotive art piece.